I almost put the bag on the camera. What's up, everybody? So we're gonna go and try to get some photos today.
I'm breathing so hard. I haven't been up here and I've lived down here for so long. It's supposed to be like a big outlook, but I'm also out of shape. All right, there it is.
Okay, so I am so out of shape, and I'm gonna save you guys from hearing me die and out of breath and climb up this, so I'm just gonna fast forward. Yeah.
That's pretty tall. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty high. I can guarantee you that is high. We got in pretty quick before a whole bunch of people started coming, so we had the whole tower to ourselves, which was awesome. Was it already open? Oh. This is gonna be the front area, the menu board. We just had my daughter's birthday. Back here, coffee machine, espresso machine, office back here. Just excuse that mess. Right next to me is my brother's shop. He has a taco shop. On the other side of us is gonna be my sister's bakery, and then the first building out is gonna be a boutique. Just a lot of cool stuff. I'm gonna do a proper shop tour once everything's put in. Looks nice, looks presentable. All right, we're gonna set this down. Wow, that is so heavy. This is a quick little tour. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, peace.